Hello. In this video, I am sharing with you Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max that is a latest popular smartphone of Apple company. I trusted that this video is very useful for all of you who love Apple products and waiting for lasted model of iPhone. There are three useful points that I will show you include what's new in iPhone 15 Pro Max. Why does iPhone 15 Pro Max may become Apple's best-selling smartphone? And iPhone 15 Pro Max specs leaked online. Please enjoy watching this video as following. 1. What's new in iPhone 15 Pro Max, launch, specs, design, features, price, and more. The iPhone launch date has been announced and it will happen on September 12th. Check out all the rumored details of the iPhone 15 Pro Max including specs, price, and more. Apple has finally announced the dates for the Apple event where it will launch its new iPhone 15 series. It is expected that there will be 4 variants of the new generation smartphone, iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Along with the iPhones, it is also rumored that the company will launch its new Apple Watch 9 series and the Apple Watch Ultra 2. The launch event is scheduled for September 12th. Check out the speculated specs of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. iPhone 15 Pro Max leaked specs. As per rumors, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to feature a 6.7-inch display which is similar to iPhone 14 Pro models. This year Apple has reportedly discarded the stainless steel body and upgraded it with a titanium chassis which makes the iPhone more lightweight than its predecessor. According to a Mac Rumors report, the smartphone may replace the mute button with a new action button in the iPhone 15 Pro models. This iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to get an upgrade in terms of performance as it may be powered by the new A17 chip and 5G Qualcomm modem chip. It was also leaked that new models will come with Dynamic Island. Various experts such as Mark Gurman and Ming-Chi Kuo reported that iPhone 15 models will feature a USB-C charging port to meet the European Union's new rule. However, no confirmation has been made by the company so far. Additionally, the charging port may come with USB 3.2 or Thunderbolt 3 transfer speeds. Now, let's have a look at the rumored camera specs for iPhone 15 Pro Max. It is suspected that Pro models will come with enhanced zooming capabilities. The phone may feature a new Periscope lens which will allow 5x to 6x optical zoom. Experts also believe that this new addition can give tough competition to Samsung's high-end smartphone cameras as they are more hyped in among youth. Lastly, the iPhone 15 Pro Max may come in new color options: blue, silver, gray, and black. In terms of iPhone 15 Pro Max price, it is expected that it will be higher than the iPhone 14 Pro Max models. This year, the prices may start from $1,199 and $1,299, which is $100 and $200 higher than iPhone 14 Pro Max. However, the above-mentioned details are based on leaks and rumors, and the original specs, features, design, etc., will be revealed at the Apple event which is happening on September 12, 2023. So, mark your calendars for the new generation of iPhone. 2. iPhone 15 Pro Max may become Apple's best-selling smartphone. iPhone 15 Pro Max or iPhone 15 Ultra could get a game-changing feature that could make it Apple's best-selling model, as per the reports. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is likely to be the top-end model in Apple's next iPhone series, could also become its best-selling one. The launch of the iPhone 15 series is on the horizon, and rumors are now continually surfacing. Apple's next iPhone series is expected to feature 4 models: iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. It will debut at the Apple event that is likely to be held on September 12th. While the standard iPhone 15 variants are expected to get some upgrades such as a USB Type-C port and dynamic island, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, or iPhone 15 Ultra, could get a game-changing feature that could make it the company's best-selling model. iPhone 15 Pro Max's groundbreaking feature, according to a post by analyst Ming-Chi Kuo on the online publishing platform Medium, via 9 to 5 Mac, the iPhone 15 Pro Max could account for about 35 to 40% of Apple's shipments when it launches, making it the company's best-selling model. The report further claims that the estimated shipments for the iPhone 15 Pro have also grown by 10% compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is particularly due to one groundbreaking feature that is likely to be present only on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, a periscope lens. The new lens, which would be built into the telephoto lens, could offer 5x, 6x optical zoom, although Apple insiders Andrew O'Hara claims it could even go as high as 10x, putting it at par with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is considered to have the best camera zoom by many. It means Apple is optimistic about the selling point of the periscope, which is only available in iPhone 15 Pro Max, Kuo's report states. If this report turns out to be true, then it would mean that people are willing to shell out even bigger bucks to get premium features on the iPhone. While there is no confirmation, reports hint at a possible $200 price hike of the iPhone 15 Pro Max for the first time since the iPhone 11 series. Do note that this information is based on unofficial reports and should be taken with a pinch of salt. Only official confirmation by Apple will reveal actual details about the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is likely to debut soon at the Apple event on September 12. 3. iPhone 15 Pro Max specs leaked online, camera upgrade, sleek design, fast charging, more. Leaked iPhone 15 Pro Max specifications reveal exciting camera upgrades, sleek design changes, and new features ahead of the anticipated September 12 launch. Get ready for some exciting news about the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro Max. Just like the last few years, Apple is planning to introduce 4 new iPhone models this year: the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And now, a fresh leak has spilled the beans on all the details about the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. The leak, coming from tipster at Leaker Apple, not only spills the beans on the processor and camera of the phone but also reveals information about the thickness of the edges, frame, and much more. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has caused quite a bit of confusion since rumors about the iPhone 15 series started. Some sources say it will be renamed as iPhone 15 Ultra. Others said there will be a fifth iPhone with the name of iPhone 15 Ultra alongside the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max. While the confusion continues, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, expected to be the most popular phone of the iPhone 15 series, specifications have been leaked ahead of Apple launch event. Leaked camera features. We've got the inside scoop before the official launch, which is set for September 12. According to the Apple tipster known as Apple Leaker on X, the iPhone 15 Pro Max might surprise us with a major camera upgrade, especially when it comes to zooming. It's rumored to include a powerful 6x or 10x periscope camera. The main 48MP camera might also have 8 different lenses. Leaked design. When it comes to design, the phone's body might be made from strong titanium material, giving it a more premium and sturdy feel. Changes in design are expected for the iPhone 15 Pro. There might also be a fresh look for the volume buttons and a new action button added to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This button could quickly take you to different apps, just like the one on the Apple Watch Ultra from last year. What's inside? Underneath, the iPhone 15 Pro Max could be powered by the latest A17 Bionic SoC, made using a 3nm process. It might also have 8 GB of RAM and start with a roomy 256 GB storage option. Interestingly, all the upcoming iPhone 15 models could switch to a USB-C charging port instead of the usual Lightning port. The battery might support faster 35W charging, but the charger might not be included in the box. Leaked display and price. The screen might stay the same size at 6.7 inches, but the edges might get slimmer this year. The unique notch at the top of the screen could also see some improvements. Additionally, a new 7nm U2 chip might make the phone work better with other Apple devices, like the Vision Pro mixed reality headset. With all these exciting upgrades, the price for the iPhone 15 Pro Max might go up. Leaks suggest it could be around $200 more than the previous model. Stay tuned for more updates as the launch date is almost here. Also subscribe our channel Our Knowledge and Research for our latest videos. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.